Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Bill Competition Cars, and we've got a couple days left on this 1,900-mile 1981 Chevy Caprice Classic. And as promised, I got the badging for the front fender. It says Caprice Classic. The old one must have fallen off. They're simply held on with two-way tape. The Fleur de Lis or Fleur de Lis, or however you pronounce it, that was the one that was on it, was missing the other side. So I've got that as well. So you're missing no badges now. This is an original no paint car, all original paint. One owner up until last year. And there's paperwork with this car. If you looked at the previous auction, you can see there was some original owner's manuals and the warranty booklet and some original paperwork. My client has that I got this car from. He hasn't sent it yet, but he does have it and it will go with the car. I just don't have it to photograph, but it's on its way. So there it is in good company around some other really neat stuff. And we just got a new lift in yesterday. So we're gonna be photographing and videoing the underside of these carriages in a much better backdrop. We just got the outside lift where we kind of clean, pressure wash, and refinish. It just gets so dirty out there. I got tired of looking at the substandard backdrop. So this will be a much nicer place to do the photography and undercarriage videos. That 98 is sold, by the way, 30,000 miles going to my buddy Sergio in California. So there it is, guys. 2 days left. Get your bids in. Let's get this thing sold. Have a great day.